Okay, hi all, able to hear and see me? Give me a yes. Okay, great. People are slowly joining, I can see. Okay. Able to hear me, guys? Everyone?
So you think you might be a great project manager, but you need financial skills?
Okay, able to hear? Yes. Okay. Okay, what about people very less strength as I am seeing? So slowly people will join, I think. Let's see. Okay, what are the things are there? Yes. Okay. Great. What about others? People on LinkedIn? I know that very less people will be there today because I shared this link very late. So I know that that's completely fine. Okay. What about others? Okay, that's fine. Slowly people will join. Okay. Yes, people on LinkedIn are also there. Yes, Kunwar has joined. Let's see. Uh, Guys on Telegram, can you please post? Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes. Video quality you have to increase from your end. See, from my side, my quality is good. You have to increase, go on the video settings and increase your settings. That should be good. Okay. Hi, Priyam. Hi. Okay, so today we will see a different things. Okay, so let me again do that for everyone. And please do share this link with your friends, right? If your friends need any help, right, they can also join. Hey, hi Niharika, nice to see you. Hi all. So yes, let's start the class. Let's see like what are the things are there for you all in today's class, and then we will slowly go and check like what are the other things you wanted to know. Okay, so let's start the class. I will share my screen. Okay, and before that let me get back the things for you. Okay, done. Downloads done. Okay, now all of you are ready. Shall we start the class? Don't bother about those who are not joining. That's completely fine. We'll be starting our class. It's 2 minutes. Okay, workshop. It's starting now itself. How are you, Baya? I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Yes, more than 720 are not there. Yeah, they all have taken a break, I think. So that's fine. People will slowly join. Let's see. Let's see like how the things are going on. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. So let's start the class. Project recording is available on the YouTube only. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm good. Sure. Let's start the class. Let's see like what other things are there for you. Right. Let me share my screen. Okay. Window entire screen. So yes, what you have today in the class is basically this one. You have various kinds of things. So let me start with the agenda, and slowly I will go to what are the things that you are going to see today. Okay, so let me share. So all of you have completed yesterday's project, guys. How many of you have completed yesterday's project? All of you have completed the yesterday's project. Yes, no. Give me a yes if you all have completed. No means no. That's completely fine. If you have not completed also, that's completely fine. I hope you will complete by this week, right? This week time is there, so that should be fine, right? So how many are there who have completed, who have not completed? Okay, let me see. Yes, you all have completed. Not done. Okay, no worries. I hope I have given the document in the Telegram link. Have you seen that document, guys? Everyone? No, you have not seen the Telegram? Guys, how many of you have seen the document? I've already shared the document in the Telegram. Have you not seen? Don't worry. Let me do one thing. All of you, uh, for document, you have to click on this link courses dot. Okay, let me show you. You have to go to here. So we have a product launched here. So all of you see, this is the community which you will get from our app, right? So you see I have already shared the yesterday's document here. So all of you, if you need documents or any support, see, Already people are sharing their views, sharing their thoughts. So here I am building the community. It's like kind of a DevOps community where you all can share your thoughts, you can express your thoughts. So all of you can join here, right, and download this document. See, already I've got good comments. Fantastic session, hands-on was good, session was amazing, right? So all of you, I'm giving this link on the chat. You all can go ahead and log in. Just give your OTP and that document will be downloadable. Okay, that document will be downloadable. You all can download from this link. Clear, everyone? Is that fine? Okay, Debashish is telling you have seen that. Clear, everyone? All of you can go here and be the part of the community where you see the feed. I have pinned the post here, right? And you can see this is the document. Yeah, you click it, it will get downloaded to your desktop. Clear, everyone? Guys, can you say me a yes or no? Clear? Everyone? People on LinkedIn, I'm not sure how many are watching, but that's fine. Clear? Okay, I have seen the document. Okay, clear. Given LinkedIn also, no worries. All of you people on LinkedIn can just type courses.heydevops.in and you will get the page, login page. Okay, this is the login page, courses, courses.heydevops.in. Click on this and you will be the part of community. You will have to give your phone number and that's what it will take you to the document. Clear, everyone? You can talk. See, Mandar has already shared his LinkedIn. Okay, so I will also like his comment. Okay, someone has told this. Let me check. Okay, awesome. So some people are there. Okay, who is this who has completed? Shivam has completed yesterday's class. Okay, let's see. Okay, Shivam has completed yesterday's class. Okay, he has shared some screenshots. Okay, so that's how the things will be. I would like to see you all, and if you are active on here on this platform, you will get some leaderboard coins. These all things are new platform which we have designed. Okay, and I would love to see your feedback here. Clear? Yes. Okay, so let's, okay, please explain again why you want me to explain again. Nothing is there. You have to click courses.heydevops.in, just this URL. Okay, all of you see, you have to click just this URL. I will share again on the stream. Okay, this is the stream where you can click on this. You can go onto the screen and be the part of the community. Clear, everyone? Are you all clear? Guys, yes, no? Yes, Manasa is telling she has got it from Hey DevOps app. Also, Hey DevOps app you can download. Okay, you can go to the Play Store and download my Hey DevOps app. You will get all the things at one place. Okay, so no one is going to stop you. Either of the things you can follow. Okay, and you can be the part of the community. Okay, this is the Play Store link. iOS we are still working on, but yeah, you can download from the Play Store or anywhere you need the data. Clear, everyone? Right? Yes. Let's start the class. I will set the agenda for today's class. Let's see. Okay. Now, the first topic which we will cover is basically your Docker. So yesterday, many of you have told Praveen, I am not understanding about Docker. I want to know about Docker. So little bit of touch base pointers here, and we will look at multi-stage Docker files. Okay, multi-stage Docker files, the layers of Docker files, the commands of Docker files, and then we will jump onto EMR, which is part of your DevOps and data engineering. Okay, suppose you want to move your domain to something like you want to be different from others. I want everyone to be different from others, right? So what I do, I will make sure that you all join this Devops+Data class and make sure you are getting that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now all of you see here, what we are going to do is in the EMR full form is, guys, Elastic Map Reduce. Okay, now what is the use of this, how it is looking in AWS, by the way. Okay, I will show you in AWS what is the use of this. Praveen, we are a DevOps engineer. Why we are learning data side things? So you need to understand now. DevOps everyone knows, guys. DevOps tools like Jenkins, Sonar, everyone knows. But I want my community to be different. That's why I introduced yesterday modules the automation scripts, right? And today you are seeing about EMR, S3, data side, Spark, Python code, BOTO3, okay, and various kinds of architectural diagrams with data side. Clear, everyone? And if you are a beginner, I am completely fine. You just need to listen this class. Okay. Now, all of you good with the agenda? EMR is very new. I know EMR is very new for you. Yesterday, we have covered the very best of the best topics. But today, I would like to tell you EMR. I will little bit touch base on Spark, and I will go with the Flow S3, BOTO3, and Python code. Okay. Very basics I have covered. But this is one of the, like you say, na spark. It will ignite the spark in you to consider all these things. Clear, everyone? Got it? Yes. Okay. Kundana is telling she has got. Okay. Clear, everyone? Okay, great. Are you all excited for today's class? Okay. So let's start the class. We will start with the basics. Baby steps we will take one by one. We will go and we will see what are the things that are stored in the class. Okay, nice. So let's start the class, right? Okay, all are good. All are good. Okay, got it from Hey Devops app. Okay, Gurbachan. Okay, little bit of data side also we will cover because that's where you get your resume, right? Ultimately, what we are trying to do, we are trying to add in resume some masala. That's it. My intention is you all add some kind of Maggi masala or some ketchup or make it very tasty. Make your resume very tasty so that when HR sees, they select your resume and send to interview panelist round. Clear, everyone? I always tell you need to have that kind of flavors of masala. Okay. Okay. 1 second. I'm just getting a call. Okay. I'll just take it. Okay. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Okay. Now, all of you are ready? We will start the class with Docker. Very, very simple steps I will explain. You will see the Docker layers. You will be amazed to see new thing. Okay. So let's start the class with Docker. Okay. Now, all of you need to understand in the earlier days, we used to have virtual machines, guys. Okay. Virtual machines, which are very old, right? And when you are creating your servers, you will obviously use virtual machines. Now, those who are working in an organization, you would have seen that when you are working for a organization and you are working for a client, okay, they will give you VM. How many of you have seen your VMs? I have my VM. Okay. How many of you have seen the VMs? All of you in your organization, you would have seen your VMs, right? We all would have got VMs from other clients, right? Suppose I'm working in Infosys. I would have worked for Toyota. Toyota gave me a VM, virtual machine, right? So that VM, that virtual machine is very, very much important for you to do the task. Okay. Now this is VM, all about VM. But here there are some restrictions, guys. What are those restrictions? Let's think like this. You have 1 lakh employees. Okay, 1 lakh employees. Now, in order to give the 1 lakh employees the 1 lakh VM, okay, the maintenance of infrastructure was very high. Okay, the maintenance of infrastructure was very high. At the same time, the what do you call that? The deployment of softwares. Let's think like that. One employee wants to have Visual Studio Code. The other employee wants to have IntelliJ code, which is like your integrated development environment, IDE, right? So some things are there always, right? Now imagine when 1 lakh employee are asking 10 lakh different tools. Are you imagining, guys? 1 lakh employees are there. They are asking 10 lakh different tools. Now, how will that work, right? So I'm an employee. I ask 10 tools. You are an employee. You ask 10 tools. Similarly, all those 10 tools become 1 lakh tools. Now, do you think that having a VM with all those tools set up is very easy. How many of you think that? We don't think, right? Now, in the general terms, right, VMs are still there, guys. VMs are still there. Some companies are using, but in the downline, right, there is a new concept which has emerged and came into existence, is about your Docker. Now, very simple, what this Docker will do, right? All of you see, now what will happen? I have my laptop. Okay, I have my laptop. Let's take laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3. Similarly, laptop 1 lakh. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply install Docker on all the laptops. Okay, all the laptops directly. Okay, now what this Docker will do, is this Docker will make sure you have your machines ready. You have your virtual machines ready inside your Docker. Now, Docker is very beautiful, which is replacing the virtual machine concept. Okay, the virtual machine concept is completely replaced by Docker, and it is giving you the containerization methods, containerization data. Clear? Now, all of you understand one thing. When we are moving to Docker, you being a DevOps engineer, this I have told you in terms of organizational level, but you are a DevOps engineer. When you think in DevOps perspective, let's think like this. You are a DevOps, you are a support engineer, guys. Okay, you are a support engineer, and every time one person is coming and asking you some virtual machine, okay, it's very headache for you to provision the virtual machine and give it to him. So what you have decided is, let me go as a support person, let me go and deploy the Docker onto his system, and then I will install all the tools so that his system is ready with all the tools. Let's imagine like this. Okay, now what Docker brings you in is, it brings you in the concept of containerization. Let's take, this is your laptop. In this laptop, the layers are divided. Let's take OS layer, right? Then you have some hypervisor layer, right? Hypervisor layer. Then you have your all the what you call like application layer, right? Layer, and obviously like your hardware layer and all those things, layers are there. But we are more concentrated on OS layer and hypervisor layer. Now, what is happening, right? Once this Docker came, what this has done is, it has introduced one beautiful concept like your Docker host and a client relationship. Who is client here? Our laptop is client. Okay, our laptop is client, and the host is Docker software. Okay, now very, very beautiful. Now all of you see here. All of you see here. Okay, all of you see here. Now, if you are able to see this screen, right? All of you see here. Now, Docker client is your laptop where you run the commands. Okay, and Docker host is a software which is actually helping you to execute those commands. Okay, now you see Docker client. All of you are able to see here. Docker client is there, right? This is the client which we are working with, the black terminal. All of you have seen, right? That what you call like CLI, the black terminal on your system, right? This is the terminal. Let's think like this. All of you see here. Let this be the terminal. This is the black terminal, right? So let's think like this. This is the client for me. Okay, this is the client for me. Now you need to understand, when you have the client, Docker is also installed for you, right? Docker is also installed for you. Now, in that case, what will happen is you will get a Docker host also like this. Okay, now Docker host has a component called daemon. Now, this daemon is very powerful, guys. Consider it as a brain. Okay, consider this daemon as a brain. Now, all of you see, this was the client, which is our laptop. Now, this client is talking with a daemon. Okay, daemon is Docker daemon, and very powerful, guys. This is like your human brain. Whatever this client tells, immediately this brain will take that data, process that data, and executes as per data which is coming in. Okay, now you see from client side how many commands we are running. You see, guys, if you remember yesterday, what were the commands for Terraform? Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. Do you all remember yesterday's class? Yes, all of you remember, guys, yesterday's class? Clear everyone? But in today's class also, 3 commands are very much important in terms of Docker. That is your Docker run, your Docker pull, your Docker push. Okay, I will give some more commands like Docker build, right? Now, in this commands, when you try to run, all of you see here, Docker run, Docker build, Docker pull. Which command is executed, right? And what it is doing, let's see here. All of you see here, Docker run. What it is doing, guys, the first arrow is hitting the Docker host and it is converting the application into an image and then to a container. Are you getting, guys? The arrow mark, are you following everyone? Yes, are you able to understand? Docker run is converting the data or the application into an image and then a container. Very simple. Let me show you this diagram. All of you see, okay, not this. Let me explain you here. All of you see, guys, yesterday how much GB of code we had, Terraform code in our Hey DevOps app, in our Hey DevOps GitHub repository. How much GB of code we had? Let's think like this, 10 GB of code. Correct? Yes, all of you. Let's think like we had a 10 GB of code. Okay. Now, in this 10 GB of code, have you ever imagined how the 10 GB of code is containerized? Okay. That is with the help of Docker. This 10 GB of code is converted into a jar file. Okay. Jar var EAR, and with the help of Docker file. Okay. File, this is converted into a container. Clear everyone? The code is converted into an image. Like you click on your phone some image, right? What that image stores, guys? The image stores where it has been taken, who has taken that image, what is the size of the image. Correct na? All of you correct? Yes or no, guys? When you take some image, you all get the data, right? Who has taken that image, what is that image, size of the image, which phone it has come in, right? So similarly, what happens, right, when your code gets converted into an image, this image has all the data, like who has built the image, what is that image is doing, what is the end purpose of the image, right? And then this image is containerized with the help of Docker. Now you see, there is a concept here also, right? Now in the CI/CD concept, which I told you yesterday, train, pipeline, and everything, there is a tool here that is your Maven tool. Okay, Maven is a tool which converts your code to jar, and that's how the life cycle gets started. Okay, in the simple terms, code is there, it is converted with the help of Maven as jar. Okay, then it is converted into an image with the help of Docker file. Okay, then it is converted into a container with the help of Docker file. Clear? And this is deployed with the help of Terraform or Ansible or your Kubernetes, any kind of manifest files, you take it and it is deployed onto AWS or Azure or GCP. Clear everyone, guys? Are you all clear with this? Containerization means nothing but this flow is called containerization flow. This flow is called containerization flow. Okay, which we have seen yesterday, right? Clear everyone? Yes, all of you clear? The code, all of you note it down, guys. All of you note it down. If you don't know, the code is converted into a jar. Okay, all of you see, the code is converted into a jar. The jar is converted into an image. The image is converted into a container. The container is converted or deployed with the help of these things on this cloud. Very simple. Okay? Feed it on your brain. Now, all of you see here. Now, Docker run is a beautiful command. What it does basically is this Docker run command. Okay, this Docker run command converts the jar, okay, into an image and then into a container. Okay, clear everyone? Just you give like Docker run and the data, right? Docker run the data, it will convert everything into a container. Now let me show you yesterday's Terraform code. Just we will see one more time. Okay, you all were asking me, so I am telling again. So all of you see here in the Terraform code, this is the application, guys. See, application tier. Yesterday you have seen this is the application tier. And are you seeing something like Dockerfile? So this code, this source code is converted into an image, and that image we have pushed to repository ECR with the help of this Dockerfile. Are you able to understand, guys? Yes. Yes, base image is always required. Why? So what I have told you, guys, all of you see what I have told you. The container is what? The container is a laptop. Okay, all of you understood, right? The container is a laptop. Now, laptop, what you do? You work on the laptop, you install software, you upgrade the RAM, you upgrade the CPU, memory, everything. Same you can do with the container also. So that is where you deployed yesterday Terraform code application tier as a container on AWS. Clear, everyone? Right? Are you clear with the Docker concept? Now you see, when you are running Docker run is converting your application. Okay, let's think like this. Here you have the application. Okay, Docker run is converting your application into an image, then into a container. What is Docker build is doing, guys? Docker build is just converting into an image. The arrow is not here. Okay, so there is a huge difference between these two. And Docker pull. So Docker pull, you see, is pulling the images from the repository or registry. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Why can't we create fresh image without taking the base image? Fresh image you can create, but it's a time waste, Sandy. Right? Everyone, always you see the images are available in the Docker hub. Right? Clear? Now you see what I am talking about. I will explain you in a clear format. Just you see this flow. Okay? When you say Docker build, okay, it converts the project into an image. Okay, when you say Docker run, it converts the image into a container. Okay, when you say Docker pull, it pulls the image from Docker hub or any kind of repository. Now all of you see, I will show you my Docker hub. Okay, I will show you my Docker hub. All of you see here, this is, okay, not this one. This is my Docker hub, guys. Okay, now I will show you my Docker hub. All of you see, this is my Docker hub. Okay. Okay, now you see this all are images. Suppose I want, can you tell me which image I need to search? Guys, which image I need to search? Can anyone tell me? Do you want me to search any image name particularly? What is that image name? What is that image name, guys? Tell me which image I need to search. Tell me. Any software you are remembering? MySQL. Shall we search MySQL, guys? See, MySQL official Docker image. You name the software, all the softwares will be available. Grafana, you want to see? See Grafana. See Grafana image. Now, how to pull that image? See, all of you, once you click on this, see guys, Docker pull, the command is here. Let me do you one thing. Let me show you one thing. I will just run my Docker in my local and let's see if I'm pulling the image, what is happening. So all of you, just 2 minutes, I will take your precious time and I will show you that, right? All of you see, right? All of you see. Now my Docker is running. Okay, my Docker is running. Now I will say Docker images. Okay, all of you see here. I will do a Linux command here. Docker images grep -i Grafana. Is Grafana, okay, Grafana is here 10 months ago. Any other image you want me to do? Kafka you want me to do? Kafka, you were telling. Nginx, Tomcat is not there, I think, with me. Tomcat we can do. Okay, let's see. Tomcat. Tomcat is not there. Let's search for Tomcat and pull Tomcat image. Okay. All of you see Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat official image is here. Docker pull Tomcat I'm doing. All of you see here. Docker pull Tomcat. And guys, you see, everything will be layer. You will see a layer now. See, layer 1. See, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 layers combinedly formed as a Docker image. Okay. Now you see, I will show you what are those layers. Okay. Now Docker pull Tomcat is done. There is another command also. You can see if you are not seeing Docker run. Okay, no worries. If you are not able to see, that's completely fine. I will run the Tomcat container now. It's still taking time. See, very big image, I think. Okay, how much size? Okay, more than 500. Okay, 500 million plus people have downloaded, right? And you will see so many tags people have attached. Okay, see tags. Okay, so let's see. Okay, done. Now you see, I will do. Am I getting Docker Tomcat? Yes. Am I getting Docker Tomcat? Now what I will do, right? All of you see, Docker ps-a is a command which will show you. Okay, I will clear the screen. Which will show you the running containers, running laptops. Let's consider like that. Docker ps is the command process. Docker process is a command which will show you running laptops. Because there are 0 laptops running, right? You are seeing nothing now. Now what I will do? Docker run Tomcat. Okay, I will run the laptop now. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so I have run directly. So what I will do, right? Docker run Tomcat -d. Okay, unable to start the container, executable not found in the path unknown d. Okay, let's see what will happen here. Okay, so it is giving me like this. I'm thinking like, let me do one thing. Okay, now it has run. Okay, so -d is the command to run in background. So shall we check Docker process? Now guys, are you able to see the Tomcat laptop is running for us? Right? All of you understood? The Tomcat laptop is running for us, guys. Are you able to see? Everyone, right? The Tomcat laptop is running for us. And those who are watching this video on YouTube, please make 150 likes, guys, on the YouTube video. That is a request I make based on the people who are here, right? So please make 150 likes. If you are not seeing 150 likes, please make it. Okay, all of you see here. Now, is this server is up and running? Guys, it's up and running, right? Now, okay, this is good, right? So you understood that the Docker, when you pull the image, it is coming from Docker Hub. When you build the image, it is locally building the image. When you run, the image is converted into a container. Clear everyone? Guys, clear? Any questions? Process, PS means process. Process means every application when it is running, every laptop when it runs behind with a process. Okay, that is what I told. Okay, clear everyone on LinkedIn also? Shall we move to the next slide? Now, all of you see here, liked, great. Now, all of you see here, one beautiful concept, EMR concepts are coming, so don't leave the class. Now, all of you see here, Docker file concepts. Now, all of you see here, the Docker file, which was there in the Terraform code yesterday, right? The Docker file, which was there in the Terraform code yesterday, this Docker file only converted my application into an image, the build command and the run command. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Making container means we are making a laptop. Okay, we have converted this entire application into a container. एक laptop बना दिया है. मतलब इस पूरे application, this entire application we have converted into a laptop, and in that laptop we are running it. Now are you clear? Very simple, I have told. Okay, the entire application we have deployed and created a laptop and deployed it. That's it. -d means daemon, background. Daemon means process aage dikhega nahi. Okay, all of you see, someone is asking what is the meaning of -d and all. All of you see, if I am removing the -d, what is happening? Are you seeing the logs on the screen? Guys, are you seeing the logs on the screen? Yes, correct now, right? I don't want to show my logs on the screen and the process to run. See, it is still running. I cannot exit. -d is background or detached mode. Now you see, I will run in the background mode. Did you saw any logs here? No, you are seeing container ID directly. That is the thing. Okay. Now, all of you see here, for this Docker file, right, there are various commands. All of you see here, from is a command, work directory is a command, expose is a command. Now you all see, I will tell you from this example which we have seen in the yesterday's class, Terraform class. All of you see, this is the Docker file which we have seen yesterday, right? Now all of you see here. So all of you, please have a look at this. I am sharing the GitHub link on chat. All of you open that GitHub link, guys. Yes, all of you open that GitHub link and watch it, okay, with me. Now all of you see here, if you are not able to open, that's completely fine, but yeah, just see here. Now when you see a Docker file, what you are seeing in the red color, from, there is a run command, there is a work directory, copy command, run command, copy command, expose command, cmd command. Clear, everyone? Now you see the from command is nothing but you are selecting a base laptop for you. The base of the laptop is Node Alpine OS with Node.js. Are you understanding, guys? If I am selecting here Ubuntu, okay, Ubuntu means Ubuntu laptop I am asking for myself. Clear? If I am writing here Python Alpine, it means I am asking Alpine OS with Python. Okay. Now run is a command to run any kind of shell scripts. Shell scripts means any kind of echo hello or any kind of scripts you want to run, you can run with the hello command, run command. Clear? The work directory command is nothing but in the container, what is your directory where you want to store this application code is in this. Are you clear, guys? Okay, let me write it down for everyone. See here, everyone see here, I will write it down. Okay, all of you see here, from is base image or laptop, base OS laptop. Okay, clear, everyone? Now run is a command which is used to run shell commands. Okay, this is a little bit big. Shell commands. Okay, work directory is nothing but in laptop where your app should be deployed. Clear? Copy command is nothing but copy file from your machine to container. Clear? Virtual laptop on our physical machine. Yes, Adarsh, beautifully explained, right? Clear, everyone? Now you see expose is nothing but you hit always localhost 3030. Correct? How many of you used this ports 8080, 9000, right? All those ports are coming from this command only, expose. And finally, you want to start something, you have to use cmd to start the application. Guys, are you clear with this concepts? Are you all clear with this concept? Guys, are you clear? Okay, 3000 is both for container and host port. Okay, now clear? Shall I remove this screen? All of you? Shall I remove this screen, guys? Everyone, people on LinkedIn, are you all there with me, or you are all getting bored because you all are less people? People on LinkedIn? Yes, no? Okay, you are like bullet train. Okay, with full Josh stamina. Thanks, Cami. Right? Clear? No, it will not create. It will not create if working directory is not there, it will not create anything. Okay, you have to specify. Okay, great. Let's move forward. Very basics I have covered, because many people told, I don't know Docker, I'm crying, I don't know Docker, I'm not able to understand. So I've explained today little bit of time. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see what are the next things are stored for you in the okay, by the way, BOTO3 code is there, guys. So all of you have to wait. Okay, so I will run the BOTO3. I will show you what is AWS BOTO3. Okay, okay. So let's move to the next. Now, EMR introduction. We are going into the EMR, guys. Okay, so all of you see here, we will do the EMR introduction now. Okay, clear, everyone? Now, in this EMR, is very beautiful concept, by the way, right? And now, why this EMR has come into picture? Let me explain you a small data point here. Okay. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, from here we will go a little bit on data side. Okay. First time EMR. No, you should know. Okay, ठीक है, मैं बताता हूँ क्या है. Very basics. Now, guys, all of you, leave your pen, leave your hand from the keyboard. Just watch my screen. Okay, ठीक है. Now, all of you see here, you are a DevOps engineer. Okay, you are a DevOps. Oh, why this is writing like this? Okay. Okay, you are a okay, this is good. All of you see here, you are a DevOps engineer. Okay, now, guys, when we are doing security testing, when we are doing CI/CD pipeline setup, when we are doing Docker setup, when we are doing application deployment like we did in yesterday's class, or we are handling Terraform, what is the output that we see on the screen? Can anyone tell me? I need one keyword from you which we get as the output, where we distinguish that, okay, this is that, this is that. Can you all tell me what is that? What is the one thing we see when we do all these things on the screen, with which we can tell whether, yes, it is success or not, or failure or not? What is the one thing, guys? What is the one thing we see? All of you? What is the one thing we see? No. We see the logs. Do we see the logs or not? Like Tomcat, I show you now. Tomcat, I show you. We see the logs on the screen, right? Yeah, pipeline logs, DNS logs, whatever the logs, data. Ultimately, we see the logs. Correct? Yes or no? Bhai log, behan log, Rupak, Deepak, Amruta, right? We see the logs. Now tell me, guys, my manager is giving me a task. My manager is giving me a task where he is telling, like, Praveen, integrate all the tools, logs, and show me in the beautiful dashboards. He wants me to integrate all the logs at one point, dump all the logs at one point, and show me the logs in a beautiful dashboard. I don't want to check the each time CI/CD, each time Docker, each time Terraform. No, I want to have a centralized monitoring dashboard. Are you able to get me? Centralized monitoring dashboard. This we have done in the organization. Okay, monitoring dashboard. Okay, clear, everyone? That is where I brought you all the EMR concepts today. Centralized monitoring dashboard, where you will have all the tools logs here. Now, what is EMR? What is EMR? Okay, EMR is nothing but it is based on your what you can tell, like, master slave configuration like your Ansible or Jenkins. Okay, master slave configuration, and it stores 1 million trillions of data. It can handle 1 trillion or more than that data. Okay, not like your Elk Stack or Grafana or Splunk, we will talk about that, but data processing it can do. Clear, everyone? The data, no, ELK is dashboard. Guys, why are you not understanding? ELK will do on a smaller basis. I want very big data processing unit. For that, elastic map reduce. Elastic map reduce. Okay, EMR. Now, in the EMR, you will see one master node and various control nodes. Basically, the master node will be task server or control server. You can think like this. And there will be, I can simply type like master node and the slave nodes. Okay. And whatever data you get here in the master node, let's think like this. I have a CSV file with data. Okay. Now, all of you see here, I would like to tell you how many of you have used Stack Overflow. Let me see how many of you have used Stack Overflow. Okay, how many of you have used Stack Overflow? How many of you have used Stack Overflow, guys? Honestly, everyone? Yes or no? Have you used Stack Overflow? Everyone? Guys, everyone use Stack Overflow? Guys, reply fast so that I can understand. No, you have not used Stack Overflow. Okay. Okay, very less people. Why you are not using, guys? You all are DevOps engineers. You should use Stack Overflow. Okay, that's fine. So let me show you the insights of Stack Overflow. Okay, every year Stack Overflow releases the survey. Okay, all of you see here, every year the Stack Overflow releases the survey in the CSV manner. Okay, like how many people are there. Okay, so let's see. When I show you all this, okay, I will show you this public CSV file, right? You will be amazed to see from where different organization all over the world people are using Stack Overflow. Okay, let it get open. 1 second, I will show you. Okay, get open, bhai. Very big file, by the way. Okay, very big file. Bhai, open ho jao. Get open. Ha. All of you see. Let's think like this. This is a general data, and how much data it is having. See, 73,268 lines of data it had. Okay, so basically, let's consider this as an employee ID who is using the Stack Overflow. What he is doing, he's a developer by profession, or he's a learning to code, right? I'm not a primary developer. And what his data is, guys, at the end it is data na. At the end ये data है, right? भाई लोग, आप लोग भी डाउनलोड करके देखो, ये डेटा है कि नहीं? This survey I will give to you. ठीक है सर, मजा आ रहा है? बढ़िया. I will show you. Just 1 second. EMR doesn't have any dashboard. तो आप लोग इसमें जाइए सर्वे में, and you see the survey. Who is the student? 73,000 people have given their survey where they are telling whether they are a student, full-time employee, contractors, or whatever it is. ठीक है? ठीक है, सबको क्लियर? मजा आ रहा है भाई लोग? मजा आ रहा है? डेटा करेक्ट. दिस इज व्हाट गाइस, इज दिस द डेटा? करेक्ट, ये डेटा है, राइट? नाउ इमेजिन आई वांट टू प्रोसेस like this daily maybe 1 trillion records. Okay, that can be handled via this EMR. Okay, you see EMR as a master node and it has a core nodes. Okay, and this is a cluster, and backend on this cluster is running with Hadoop. Hadoop is basically a file system. You can, Hadoop has two things, guys. Hadoop has a file system, HDFS we call it, right? And Hadoop is a component which is powerful, right? But on top of that, AWS is using like this. I will show you. Okay, wait. Now all of you see on the AWS dashboard, I will show you one thing. All of you see with me. Okay, now I will show you EMR. Okay, this cluster has been terminated. When you create the cluster, all of you see here, when you create the EMR cluster, it gives the EMR version which you can select. It is loading actually. Let me show you. Very simple, you can create the EMR. Okay, so see guys, 6.14. Yesterday, what was the version of MySQL which we have used? Yesterday, what was the version of MySQL? 5.41. 41 was the MySQL database version. Guys, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? 41. Correct? Correct. Now you see, if I need to use Spark, Apache, Hive, so what are the components I'm getting? Hadoop. So Hadoop is the backend component where it is using Livy, Spark. These all are software. So suppose all of you see here, suppose I want core Hadoop only. You select core Hadoop, automatically this ticks will be changed. Okay, it means it is giving you these kind of components in Hadoop. If you select Flink, if you select HBase, it is giving like this. It is not giving you Hadoop. HBase is different. If you select custom, see, if you are selecting custom, you have the ability to select everything what you need. Clear? Elastic Map Reduce is EMR, and this EMR is having various kind of combination of data points or softwares which can help us to process the data. Clear, everyone? So you see, all of you see here, Amazon Linux we are using, right? What is the type of instance? On which instance my EMR clusters are created? All of you see here. On which clusters? So at the end, what I have told you guys, AWS, whatever it is using, it is running everything on EC2 servers. Yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, सही है ना मैं जो बोल रहा हूं? EC2 कहीं पे भी देख रहा है, वो सर्वर पे ही काम करेगा, वो सर्वर पे ही डिप्लॉय करेगा जो भी करना है. करेक्ट? करेक्ट? यस? ओके, यस. आर यू क्लियर व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग? ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? मजा आ रहा है? एनर्जी लेवल्स आर सेम फॉर 1 आवर. नाइस. ठीक है, बढ़िया बढ़िया. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर इज, लेट मी टेल यू हियर व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इंस्टेंस वी आर यूजिंग. M5X लार्ज इंस्टेंस, मतलब सबसे बड़ा इंस्टेंस ले रहे हैं जो कि 4 कोर है, 16 GB. ठीक है, and pricing also they are giving. Okay, but see, we are not going to create anything. I'm just showing you. See, I told you now, one master server and one slave server we can have. Okay, master is on M5X large, slave is on M5X large. Let's see what is there. See, one core, one master, one slave. Okay, and they are into VPC. Yesterday we have created everything via Terraform. Now I am showing you practical way of creating. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? VPC में डाल दिया उसको क्रिएट करके. तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, राइट? What here it is happening is, ठीक है, you have not used Terraform today, but you are creating manually the EMR. Are you understanding? Yes? Correct? Yes, guys, are you clear? Now you see, I will not create anyways if it is free. I know I don't want to do anything on this, but I am just showing. See what happens, right? When you create an EMR, right, it will have its own S3 bucket. Okay, what is S3? Let's see in the coming slides. Okay, and once you say create cluster, okay, once you say very long thing, create cluster, it will create you a cluster with one master node, one master node and one slave node. This master will take the data, incoming request, and it will send to the slave after the data processing. Okay, clear everyone? Right? Now, one important thing here is, let me show you one diagram so that you understand what we are actually talking. Okay? Now, all of you see this diagram, guys. All of your eyes on the screen. Now, data flow in DevOps sector. Okay? I'm showing you data flow in DevOps sector. Suppose you are in DevOps sector, DevOps field, and the data flow is happening. How that is happening? ठीक है, तो अभी देखते हैं. ठीक है? Now, suppose there is an on-prem, guys, this is very important. If you are missing this, I am helpless. Now, all of you see here, there is a database on-premise. ठीक है? See here, all of you. There is an on-premise database and there are various files. ठीक है? Some static files. ठीक है? Now you see, to the EMR, we are injecting the data. Yes or no? Yes or no? Correct. We are injecting the data. Right now, Bailo? Correct? Yes. Okay. Now you see what I am doing. So I'm introducing you a little bit new concept also. See, guys, I have a small code in my Terraform. Okay, in my Bitbucket. Okay, in my GitHub. All of you see here, I have small 2 Python codes. Okay. If you see on my Hey DevOps organization, if you go into the repositories, there is a small Python code which I have written, right? So all of you see here, all of you see here. Okay. See, I have that CSV file. This is which file, guys? Survey file, which we have seen here inside survey. Correct? हाँ कि ना? कहाँ है वो? हाँ. Is this the file which I have showed you? Let's consider that. Okay. What I am doing now, I am sending this file to EMR via Spark job. Okay. Now, little bit tricky, but try to understand. Spark jobs are built to send the data to EMR and process that data. Suppose all of you see here in that CSV, I have something like this: country, people, and how many people are working more than or less than 45 hours. Okay, it will take out all the data for me, and we are using Spark. Okay, we are using Spark session. Okay, Spark session to get the data from the CSV file. It means I have a CSV file. Okay, all of you see here, I have a CSV file. I can process that CSV via Spark job, okay, and send to EMR for processing on larger terms and storing. Clear everyone? ठीक है सब? ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? क्या हो गया? कुछ हुआ क्या? Are you getting, guys? LinkedIn people are there. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Yes. Okay, no questions, right, till now? ठीक है. LinkedIn people are there. Are you able to understand? Okay, ठीक है. थोड़े लोग हैं, but ठीक है. चलो. Now you see, Spark is a component in data processing sector which processes the large number of data and sends to EMR. Are you clear with this? ठीक है. CSV है आपके पास, कोई भी फाइल है, उसको Spark job पढ़ेगा, उसको प्रोसेस करेगा और EMR में स्टोर करेगा. Clear everyone? हाँ, CSV file is stored in S3 bucket. This also I will tell you. Are you clear, guys? Let's see the big architecture. Okay, let's see the bigger architecture. All of you see here. Now, so the data is coming from some database or files. Okay, let's say CSV file, and it is stored in which bucket? S3 bucket. And on top of that, there is a Python Spark job is running. Okay, this job is running, which I have shown you na. Okay, this job is running. Let's assume where is that? हाँ, ठीक है. अरे भाई कहाँ है तू? ठीक है, यहाँ पे. This job is running. It is processing the data, okay, and then putting on the next things, that is your EMR. ठीक है? After the EMR, right, the data is processed via several buckets, right? This is transformation sector, which will transform the data as per your need. Suppose your manager asks me, I only need 10 days of data. Segregate all the 10 days of data. You write some code again, you segregate the data, and finally, see, after segregating, you send to visualization. Now, what are the various tools you have in the market? Snowflake, Tableau, Athena, EMR. Yes or no, guys? These all are. Now, are you seeing anything Grafana, Elk Stack here? No. Okay? You're not seeing, you will not see also, because Elk Stack, Grafana are capable of handling less amount of data. Comparatively, these are bigger software tools which can handle more things. Clear? Clear, everyone? Spark is doing like filtering the data. See here, what Spark is doing? I am filtering the data in this line where I am asking my data should be from the people of USA. Okay, my data should be from the people of USA. Okay, what I am doing, all of you see here? My data should be where? From the country USA, where workers are working less than 45 hours. All are AWS tools, little bit here and there. See, not all are AWS tools. EMR comes with, I told you, right? When you are selecting EMR on AWS, let's see. Okay, let's see. All of you see, when you are selecting Spark, it is giving you different components. See, Hive, Hadoop, Jupyter, Livy, Spark. These are software tools. Now, when you select Core Hadoop, these are getting changed. When you select Flink, HBase, these softwares are, and everything is given by AWS itself. Clear, everyone? Yes, correct. Oh, exactly correct. Right? Now, what I am telling is, in the S3 bucket, you have a file. That file is read by Spark job via Python code. Okay. Then it is sent to your EMR to process and store. Clear, everyone? Clear? Now, are you clear? Very simple now. Very simple, some data related flow. Correct? Now, if you are a DevOps engineer, right, you should know this flow. Right? You should know, where is that? Kahan gaya PPT? You should know this flow. Clear, everyone? Guys, okay, clear? Great. Now, all of you, okay, great, right? Now, what is the next thing? Visualization in AWS is there. Okay. Before we go ahead, I would like to introduce you all one thing, right? So let me start with that. Just I will take 5 minutes of your precious time, right? Ekdam clear? Everyone is clear? Okay. So guys, we have launched our application on Android phone. Okay. Those who are having Android phone, what they can do is simply they go to the Play Store. Okay. Can you show the dashboard? Yes, I am showing. So all of you see here. Okay, all of you see here, and we have also launched batch 5. Okay, so I just want to tell you one thing. if you are liking the content, if you are liking the class, if you are liking the power, if you are liking the transformation of the energy from my end to your end, you can definitely check out my new platform. You are going to get amazing things here, guys. You are going to get community. Okay, this community you are going to get, and you are always welcome to share your thoughts on this community, right? It's premium community for everyone, and you will get leadership boards. Now you need to understand, if you want the packages in these kind of companies, right, in these kind of companies like Zynga, 23 LPA my fresher placed, Dell, Flipkart, Infosys, Deloitte, Cisco, 20 LPA, Airtel, 23 LPA, Kantara, right, not Kantara, what is his name, I'm not remembering. On LinkedIn only his name will be there. I'm not remembering, but you will get his name on my previous batches portal. Sapient, last batch 2% only joined. Hexaware, Amazon, Global Logic. Now you see, guys, you will get high quality learning as per my understanding. I can deliver the best content to you. Tech community access, interview preparation, career guidance, problem solving, doubts clearing. Now, I am very much strong and I am very much honest to you all. The highest package in batch 4 went to 36 LPA. Are you believing? How many of you believe this? The highest package in batch 4, the current batch which is going, in 1 month, people cracked 36 LPA. How many of you believe or not believe? Tell me. Now, how many of you believe or not believe? How many of you believe? Please tell me. At least यार बात तो करो यार, प्लीज थोड़ा बात तो करो यार, पता चले कि आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हो. एक्सपीरियंस तो भाई, एक्सपीरियंस तो होगा. फ्रेशर को 36 बड़े बड़े कंपनीज देते हैं, ठीक है. ओके, अमित इज टेलिंग यू नो, राइट, यू ऑल नो दैट. आई बिलीव, यस आई नो, राइट. एक्सपीरियंस 5+ years I think she has. As a fresher, okay, as a fresher, one person got to Zoho, ठीक है. As a fresher, one person got to Zoho, ठीक है. अगर आप बोलते हो कि ओके, अरे यार मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट होना चाहिए उस चीज का. I'm not sure how many of you believe or not. Okay, okay, not this one. I'm not seeing that screenshot. But yeah, I will upload in the website soon, right? If anyone is getting, we will upload. Okay, I will upload that. But yeah, that's fine. And one more thing, guys, fresher from 4.0 batch took placed in Zoho, right? So you need to understand, and also I have cracked companies from various domains, right? Informatica, EPAM, Amazon, Paytm, Microsoft, SAP, Walmart, and you all know that. Again, I have cracked in last 2 months. I have cracked Adobe, your Rubrik, your other companies also have cracked. Okay, so you all need to understand one thing: you are getting premium content from a mentor who has already cracked these companies. Now, all of you see here. Open this page, right? Open this page which I have shared to you all. Just see how the look and feel of the website is, right? Just see how you are feeling with that website. Are you feeling good, or any vibes are coming to you, right? Please click on this website, www.heydevops.in, and once you come to the course details of batch 5, very less price we have kept only for today, right? Only for today, and that too very less price I am telling, right? Now you need to understand, this is for next 6 hours. Now those who don't believe, okay, if you are not believing, tell me one thing. Do you believe this, guys? Okay, tell me one thing. I was in Walmart, you all know. Do you believe this or not? Tell me now. Now tell me, do you believe this or not? My student got placed in Walmart and I took photo with him. Now, do you believe this or not? Tell me. Is it a forgery photo? Now tell me. Now I would like to hear from you all. Is it a forgery photo? Now someone is telling, nah, he's not believing, so that's why I'm showing. Do you think it's a forgery photo? Yes, Rohit, you have joined. Great. Okay. Now see, he got 400% hike. Now you tell me, he is telling lie to me. Okay? He is telling lie to me or what? No, right? Now you see, these are the students who have always been with us. See, Sujata, right? You see, Cummins USA, she got USA placement. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है got it clear. Now you see Greta Grace is telling, Chandan Gowda is telling. Now all of you see here, okay, this person has got placed, this person has got placed, Venkatesh has got placed. See, I have a good news. I got 2 offers with a package and not site. So I asked him, basically I don't know, right, which are my students. Okay, which are my students. Okay, so you see, he has told me that he is from batch 1 and he got 2 companies, Align and Valtech, and he's now in Singapore, guys. Okay, he is now in Singapore. Okay, now you see one person from Mercedes Benz. See, she has got into Mercedes Benz. Okay, why I have to tell lies? Everyone is there on the LinkedIn only. So what I am requesting, right, if you are liking the content, right, see the projects also I will show you starting from November 4, 2+ months, 3+ hours of class. Okay, 3+ hours of class and 12+ projects. Guys, you are getting 12+ projects. Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, shared library project, Docker advanced project, Kubernetes 3-tier application with microservice architecture deployment. Chetan, good thing. Now, those who think that yesterday there was a powerful packed session, I wanted to give you all the most things. But now you see, in this course, everything is aligned and designed in a proper way. The first week, CI/CD. The second week, Kubernetes and Docker. The third week, Python and Slack bot installations, Node.js code. Okay. The fourth week is all about shell scripting. The fifth week is all about Terraform, AWS, your extensive knowledge. Sixth week, projects, Ansible architectures, Red Hat Linux system administration. Seventh week, GitLab CI/CD, and there is a surprise projects also which I'm going to upgrade from here. Okay, from here the next level of things will be there. Job support, LinkedIn job support, HR Connect, everything is there. And finally the bonus. Okay, you will get amazing things from the students who have already placed. I will bring them to you and they will talk in front of you, right? No, almost 3 months we are going to cover, Raju. Okay, okay, all of you need to understand, we are not covering anything like your A+B=B+A. We are covering what you need to get a job. Okay, and you need to understand, with Terraform we are getting much more things on those 2 weeks. We are going to design the course. Till now I have designed this course and I have made sure my highest package is going to touch 36 LP and batch 4. Now if you want to know more details, right, if you want to know more details, you can enroll this, right? You can enroll here. If you are looking for something different, if you are looking for something great to happen in your life in next 3 months, October, November, December, by the time New Year comes, you should be confident कि यार अब जॉब मार ही लेंगे, अब प्रवीण के साथ वॉलमार्ट में फोटो खिंचाएंगे, अब प्रवीण के साथ एडोबी में बैठेंगे. ठीक है? And you all should believe that in the last 2 months I have cracked this companies, guys. See, I have the company interview questions: Zeta, Zoom, Ness, Acolyte Digital, Oracle I have cracked, Density, Simpress, Calyx, your I went into a company, Adobe also, Yulu company I went, Myntra. See, Myntra, I was in Myntra office and they gave me a system design round. Now tell me, who is the mentor in your circle who has cracked this many companies? Correct? वीकडे में भी है, वीकडे में भी क्लास है, एक क्लास है डाउट्स क्लियरिंग सेशन, 1-to-1 सेशन from basics. I will cover everything from basics. Today, how was the class? Was it good? Did you understand or not? Right? So like that only in this course will be. Now you all open this website. Now I will tell you the flow. I will tell you the community page flow also. right? See guys, this is my community which I have formed. Once you log in into this application, right? Once you log in into the application, you will see amazing things. And guys, from Pakistan, from India, from USA, anywhere in the world, you can access this website. Very clearly, I am telling. Okay, very clearly, I am telling. You see here, the coupon code is automatically applied. If you are removing the coupon code, what is the cost? And I'm telling on guarantee that this is the lowest of all the batches I have run. If you see my previous batches, okay, my previous batches are running at 6499 cost. I hope you know that. And the batch 3 was at 5199 cost. But you see, only for you all, I have reduced the cost to 4500. Very less cost. And in that, you get a mentor who has already cracked companies like this, right? Where is that page? Your mentor has already cracked companies like this, and he's working with those companies, and his students have also cracked these companies. Okay, now if you get in the market with very less price like 3000, 2000, go ahead with that. I don't have any issues. But think once, if your mentor is capable of doing this, then only you trust them and go ahead. I don't have any issues. Clear, everyone? Right now, all of you open this website and join if you are interested. I will be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for 10 people now, right? And once the registration closes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the price will be increased. Now, from today till 11:59, if we get 10 registrations, the price will be automatically increased. And you should know that I have not launched anywhere except in the YouTube live classes itself. Yes, yes, Prashant, I am your mentor. Very informative class. Great, great. And guys, those who want the extreme knowledgeable things, those who want extreme knowledgeable things, you can understand. Yes, I am only helping you to get jobs. I'm not here to clear any certifications or nothing else. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear? Everyone, click on this link. Okay, have you clicked on this link? Guys, have you? Once you register, you will get email, you will get Android application email link, then you will get Telegram link, and then you will get the community access of this page. All of you see here? Where is that? Yeah. Yeah, this page access, you will get it, and you will get leadership things also. Classes will be from basics, guys, from basics. If you see, classes are basics, no prerequisites needed, beginner friendly. Beginner friendly. मैं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको, मैं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको. EMI option is also there, by the way. You all were asking. Manasa is telling she is from batch 4 already, right? Great, Manasa. Now EMI options are also there. Yes, the EMI option is also there. People from Pakistan, anywhere in the world can register. Clear, everyone? Are you all clear, guys? Okay. So I am waiting for 8 more registrations to complete, and we will go ahead with the class. Now, who are those 8 people? Before the course price is getting increased, with this 8 seats left for you for today's class, let me know who want to be with me. Who want to be with me in cracking those companies? Session language is purely English. I will not teach in Hindi. It will be purely on English. Beginner friendly. 3+ hours of live teaching, and the projects you see. Projects you see, guys. Keep it in resume, and I will share the project documents like this. If you see my previous batch students, okay, not previous batch. Yeah. If you see the previous batch students, I prepare the projects what I tell. See, I give you the projects like this. If you see the projects, how you can keep in your resume. See, I will give you like this project. And this project is based on the experience level project. Are you understanding? I will give you like this, what you have to keep in that project. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Guys, I am waiting for last 7 seats left. Last 7 seats. Who want to be with me in the next 3 months? Who want to be with me English language class is there. Okay, Chetan, if you are very much concerned, I would request you to join this class only. No worries, right? Okay, great, Rohit. Great. I learned don't compromise with career. That's why I am in batch 5. Great. Mohit, Rohit, I will remember. I'll definitely make sure you get something good. I am already in. Last 7 seats left. Guys, last 7 seats left. Who want to be with me? Who want to be with me? Last 7 seats left. Now, people on LinkedIn, I'm not sure how many people are watching us, but definitely this is going to be the bang on thing. Bang on thing this will be. Now, Manasa is from batch 4. She is telling it was really good. Now, 7 seats left, guys. 7 seats left. हैक तो करना ही है भाई हम लोग को. आपको जहां पे भी दिखता है कुछ भी मिल रहा है, you try to grasp it, right? You try to take that. And you are taking from a mentor who has already cracked Microsoft, Amazon, Google, not Google तो यार क्रैक नहीं कर पाया मैं. Microsoft, Amazon, Walmart, तीनों कंपनी मैंने क्रैक किए हैं. अब जाओ मेरा LinkedIn देख लो, and that is where you will get the things. Mohammad Iqbal, the cost of the course is very less. You just click on www.heydevops.in. All of you see here, you just click on heydevops.in. You click on courses and it will take you to this page. The course cost is 12,999, but I am making at 70% discount because yeah, this architecture, this deployment has taken 10 people efforts. This website creation has taken 10 people efforts, and it is very, very much important to make it 24/7 available to you, right? And I'm also making sure you get good platform. You get the Android application, you get EMI options, you get the community, right? So yaar itne paise mein kaun de raha hai aap log ko? You get the community. See, once you pay and you log in here, free people are like those who have not registered, they can also watch this, but those who have paid, we are creating community for us. You see, I'm not able to initialize Terraform directory. Can anyone help me? See, already some person got 2 answers on this, right? The way you are teaching was awesome. People are started commenting. So Mayur is telling he's from batch 1. I am learning a lot from this gem, right? Clear. Vinayak, you can definitely join the batch 5. Now 7 registrations left. Yes, you can join Vinayak. How I am teaching, you have already seen the content, already seen the data, right? And I hope it will be best of the best for you. Now those who are in LinkedIn, the link is in the section only, in the description section only. You will get all the details. Clear everyone? 6 registrations left. Rahul has registered himself. Great, Rahul. Now 6 registration left. If anyone is interested, please do register yourself. And guys, one more thing, if you are becoming part today, right, you will be amazed to see the projects are revamped in this course. These projects are getting revamped and next level of projects are getting in. At least half of the projects or not. If you feel that, Praveen, you give me some new things, I'll be adding those things here, right? Don't worry. We all will sit in one session and discuss what you need. Okay. Now 6 registrations are left. Deepak Patil, great. Coding is not required. I will help. Now, Shravani is telling the price is still 11:59 p.m. But I am waiting for 6 people to join this batch and the price will be automatically changed. Okay. Anyone registered now? In next few minutes, let me know. I will reduce the count. Now I am seeing 6 registrations are still left. People on LinkedIn, you all can click on this and download the app from the Play Store and join this beautiful community of people. Okay, please join. And also you see there is a job section here. I will be posting jobs going forward for you. I'll be getting all the jobs and posting here, and it is completely different from any of the platform you get it. Okay? And we are directly broadcasting everything to your LinkedIn, everything. Okay? Okay, great. Now, who is the next person who is going to enroll? Let me know. Clear everyone? Chetan, see, everything we cannot cover, yaar, to be honest. Aap bol rahe ho Spark we can cover or not? I would like to tell you, I have shown you the code, right? Now, covering or not covering is dependent on the time, right? If I have time, I will definitely cover. If I'm not having time, I will go with Python BOTO3 project, right? As simple as that. You need to understand. Yes, documents with step-by-step process I will share. I will teach and I will share. Clear everyone? Okay? Last 5 registrations left. Parth, this is the best we can give as a AWS architecture. This website is getting hosted on AWS right now, and that is what architecture components I am telling. We are using AWS EMR on the backend to store our students' data, to process our students' data, and all the chats which you are seeing here, right, on the section, we are storing everything on the database, right? And each section you see, right, we are storing everything on the database. Each comment, each thing we are storing on database. See, clear everyone? And you will be amazed to see this section also. Clear everyone? Now 4 registrations left. Now 4 registrations left from this place to become or start your job search. If you are from Pakistan, if you are from anywhere India, you will be coming in with me. Doubts clearing session. I'm interested to join. Clear my doubt, Praveen. I have a career gap of 5+ years. After preparing UPSC, cleared prelims and main, also financially struggled. 𝐄𝐚𝐫𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿, you have already cleared prelims and mains and you want to come into IT. What is that reason? I don't understand. But I would like to tell you, you are a brilliant student. As I can see, you have already cleared prelims main. I would like to tell you one thing. You can easily understand things and you can come to the software. Okay? Clear? Yes, course validity is 2 years, guys. If you see, the course validity is 2 years, HD recording access with content, with documents, with class notes, everything I will be sharing. And you will get a certificate from the brand Hey DevOps. Okay? With brand Hey DevOps, you will get it. And all of you need to understand it's a completely new platform, a revamped platform with complete logo, the invoices getting generated, the tech community access, you will get it. 5-star rating, 12,000 plus learners with me, and your mentor has already cracked all the companies which you are seeing here: Amazon, Walmart, SAP, Paytm, Microsoft, Informatica, HCL, Infosys, anyways, right? And this is how our community is growing. And for the batch 5, I'm waiting for 5 people to join. If you have any doubts, let me know. Let me know. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? No doubts? No questions? Last 3 registrations left. Guys. Yes, Sampath is telling he has already enrolled. Yes, for dollars, if you are from USA, the dollars will be changed. Yes, dollar. No, don't need PayPal account. Why you are looking for PayPal? It's open for everyone. You don't need PayPal account. Okay, great. So Mrudulas, for different location, different pricing is there. I hope you understand, right? Yes, correct. It is coming to that. Correct. Yes. Because for USA, we have to do something for the country also, right? There is some cess taxes going. There is some taxes getting deducted during the payment gateway, right? So for that, we are doing this. Okay. Yes, Dhiru, you will get definitely certificate. Yes. You will get certificate from Hey DevOps. In 4.0, you will get certificate from the previous batch. But for this batch, you will get from a brand name Hey DevOps. Okay, everyone. Last 3 registrations left. I see that Sampath has already joined. Only 3 registrations I can take on this cost. Who are those 3 people? Let me know. And we will just start the class and we will show the hands-on with Python BOTO3 and I will create some data for you. 3 registrations left. Let me know. And guys, I am very honest with you. I am a mentor who don't do fake things, who don't talk on air, who don't talk on like I am giving jobs or something. I am here to help you on the similar terms, how I have cracked jobs and top product based companies. I'll be with you. You will be with me in cracking those jobs. Clear, everyone? Okay, great. Sai is telling he has registered. And guys, let me tell you one thing. You will get the amazing community access, right? Clear? You see, this community is leaderboard. Now, week-wise leaderboard, you see, month-wise lifetime leaderboard. Jaya Pavitra is having 200 Hey DevOps coins. Now, this coins you can use yourself for redeeming anything on the platform. Okay, clear, everyone? And you will get jobs soon. I can add a job here, and I will be sharing all the job details also. So, guys, I'm planning to make it a community and tech-based platform for everyone, those who are with me. Clear? Now, last 3 registrations left. I am waiting for last 3. Okay, 2 registrations left. Mridula also done. Now, 2 registrations left. Those who want to join, definitely join. Once the 2 registrations are done, we will close this. 4550 cost will be updated to the next payment stage. Class timings. Okay, class timings. Guys, आप इतना पूछ रहे हो, देखो क्लास टाइमिंग्स क्या है. सैटरडे संडे 9 AM to 12 PM IST लाइव टीचिंग वीकडे में डाउट्स क्लियरिंग सेशन होगा और समटाइम्स आपको 1-to-1 मेंटरशिप भी मिलेगी. ठीक है? Okay, anyone? Great. Last 1 registration left, guys. 1 registration left with 4550. Last 1 registration left. Last member, if you become, you will be dedicatedly with me. I'll be dedicatedly teaching you from scratch, from basics. Layer on layer, I will give you the topics. Layer on layer, I will show you the data. Layer on layer, I will make you understand what you need to crack a job and top product based companies. What are the interview questions that I have seen? You would have already seen this document. See, Adobe is asking this, Yulu is asking this, Myntra is asking system design. See, Myntra is asking system design to me because they are on AWS. Okay, 2 questions I got in Myntra. Design your pipeline. So I went in Myntra office and designed. See, guys, see how much I wrote. Okay, this is AWS design only. Are you able to understand? In Myntra office, 4 rounds they kept for me. Are you understanding? In Myntra office, 4 rounds they kept for me. And this is what you see. I have drawn everything. Idhar se udhar, pipeline, production. See, production, servers, what not, guys. Everything. They literally need more things from you. And I am here to give those more things. Are you getting with me? So, guys, 1 last registration left. If you give me that. Okay, registration done. Registration done. 1 last registration left. And I will show you Python with BOTO3 and 1 more S3 bucket concept. Yes, Gokul, you can definitely join. You have 12+ years of experience. We can keep it 4 years into DevOps. Definitely we can do it. Definitely we can do it. Ashwin, no, Ashwin, where are you from? It will show 4550 and you have to book your seat. Once you click on book your seat, it will show you 4550. Clear, Ashwin? Clear? Ashwin Manamohan. Okay? It will start from November 4th. Okay, it will start from November 4th. Okay, if you see here, the classes are starting from November 4th, 2023. 2+ months, almost 3 months, close to. Saturday and Sunday live classes, 8 PM IST, 3 hours plus teaching, 2 years validity, and programming language Python from basics to advanced, very beginner friendly. Right? Now, 1 registration left, guys. I'm waiting for 1 person to join and I will go ahead with Python BOTO3. Okay? Now, who is that? And guys, I will tell you DSA and little bit lead coding also. I will tell you. If you see here in this document, they have asked me code also. Are you seeing lead code? So I will tell you a little bit coding also. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. Yes, doubts week is also there. Doubts session is also there. You all see there is a dedicated doubt support platform. Right? Right? See, Wednesday or Thursday, 8 PM IST. Or you get the community access. You can post anything on the community page and people will help you here. Okay? People will help you here. See, this is the document which I've shared, and 20 people have said, this is great work, high level interview, thanks for sharing, fantastic session. Everything is here in terms of taking the data. How to register? Santosh, if you are on LinkedIn, just see on the post. On the post, there will be a link, join Prime Batch 5.0, and you will get the link, or you can just visit www.heydevops.in and you can go ahead with batch 5. Okay? You can click on the courses and book your seat now. Now, one person left. Still, I am waiting for one person. Okay, one last person I am waiting. Who can be that? Who can be that? Yogesh. Okay, Oladila. Oladila is live now. Oladila, I will talk with you. Just wait for some time. Okay, as of now, I'm removing you. Okay, I will talk with you all in a little bit of time. Okay. One last person. One last registration. Okay, so let's see like how the things are going. So let's complete our tasks also for today's task. Now you have seen data flow. Okay. Now I will talk about Python BOTO3. So all of you see this class, guys. Python BOTO3 is there. Okay. I will not waste time. I have already wasted 5 minutes on talking about these things. But yeah, let's continue the class. All of you come back to the class. All of you come back to the class. We will complete the Python with BOTO3. Now, all of you need to understand. Okay, all of you need to understand this thing, guys. Okay. Now, when you are talking Python with BOTO3, okay, the Python is used for coding. The BOTO3 is a powerful, you can consider like a module in Python, okay, which is helping us to talk with AWS. Now, how it is going to talk or help us, I will tell you. Now, BOTO3 has various services, REST endpoints access. Like, what are the services we have seen? EMR, S3 bucket, right? Yesterday you have seen VPC, you have seen public subnets, private subnets, security groups. So all the access for AWS, the BOTO3 is having, and it can get you the data. Clear, everyone? Now, are you understanding what I'm telling, guys? Are you understanding what I'm telling? Yes, no? Yes, EC2, SG, whatever you want, all the data is there in Python BOTO3. Okay? And these are getting accessed with two things. In BOTO3, there are only two things. One is your resource name in AWS, like in Terraform you have seen yesterday, and the other is client. Okay? With these two, you can write your BOTO3 code very beautifully. Are you all clear? Shall I show you the code once? BOTO3 code? Guys, shall I show you the BOTO3 code? Are you all ready? Yes? You want me to repeat? You want me to repeat? Anyone want me to repeat? Okay, great. Let me repeat it. Okay, I will write it again one more time. Okay, let me have some water first. Okay, all of you see here, Python, okay, plus BOTO3. Okay, BOTO3 is a module in Python. Okay, everyone clear? Now, what are you getting? If you combine these two, right, you will get access to AWS resources, okay, with their REST endpoints. When I tell REST endpoints, it means you can ask for any data, ask for any data in AWS. You are getting me? Suppose all of you see here. Suppose I have an S3, I have an like this. Okay, all of you see here. I have an EC2 instance in which region? US West 1 region. Okay. Let's consider that I have an instance. Okay, not this one, EC2. Okay. I have an EC2 instance in, let's take West region. Are you getting me, guys? Okay. Suppose I want this EC2 instance get stopped, or I want to get the data of this EC2 instance. What is that instance type? Everything I can get from BOTO3. I can get every data from BOTO3. Clear? Now you see, very important and very powerful concept. If you want to know, okay, if you want to know Python plus BOTO3, how you can integrate, let me show you that. Okay, all of you see here on the eyes on the screen. Okay, eyes on the screen, guys. All of you see here. Now I will show you one step. With that, you will be able to understand. All of you see here. Now for Python BOTO3 installation, you need to use pip3 install BOTO3, and before this, you need to install Python also. Correct, na? You need to install Python also. Now you see, once you install pip install BOTO3, let me do this hands-on for you. Okay, I will open my Visual Studio, which I have done yesterday, right? Which I have shown you yesterday. Now see, guys, pip install BOTO3. Before that, you need to have Python installed in your system, right? Python should be installed on your system. Now you see, if I do this, what I am getting, all of you see, there is already the data is available. Let me upgrade pip also. Okay? See, it is downloading from the internet and it has downloaded. Clear, everyone? Guys, are you all clear with this? Where are you all? Are you all clear? Yes? Are you clear, guys? हाँ कि ना? Yes? बोल नहीं रहे हो आप लोग. Yes, great. Now you see, very simple code. I will run it. Now, after this installation, you need to do this thing. Okay? You need to touch this. I will show you my AWS credentials folder under AWS. Okay? Now, okay, I cannot show you, but what you can do is, all of you see here, you need to do this command AWS configure. I will give the steps also. Once you do this command, those who have AWS accounts like this, okay, US West 1, you would have got your access key and secret key. That keys you need to paste it here, right? So the access key, secret key, paste it here, and region, you can select what region you can give, right? So as of now, I can select my region as US West 1. So I will make it US-West-1. Clear, everyone? And that's it. Clear? I have done my AWS configure. This is one way, or the other way is that I have shared you in the document like this. You can create a file, right? Touch with this, and you can add this component, and you can give your access key and secret key. And there is a one more file you need to create, and you need to give this, or you can directly give the command like this, AWS configure. Clear, everyone? Now, once this is done, what is the next step? All of you see here. Now, guys, tell me, how many Linux servers are there on this screen? Now, how many Linux servers are there on the screen? Guys, everyone, how many Linux servers are there? One, correct? Now, let's see what is our code. Okay. Now, all of you see, I am importing the print statement. Okay. Print statement in the sense, this is a different thing. This is a different module in the Python. I'm importing BOTO3 because I need BOTO3 module also. and I am importing some exceptions from BOTO core also. Okay? Suppose you want to use requests module, you can use requests. Suppose you use JSON, you can use JSON. Suppose you need import time, you can use import time. Any modules you can do this here. Clear, everyone? So once you have imported what is needed for you, you write the code. See, I told you in BOTO3 there are two things. One is client and one is resource. Are you clear? Guys, are you clear? BOTO3 is a module which will talk with AWS instances. That's it. Okay? Yes. Sheikh Atik, what is your question? What is your question, bhai? Okay. Now you see, once I have done this, all of you see here, I told you, right? BOTO3 has only two things. One is client. BOTO3 only two things. One is client and one is AWS resource name. That's it. No, I am doing in Visual Studio Code only, Manasa. Okay. Now you see what I am doing. I am creating first client. Okay. So all of you see here, the client is created by this command, client equal to client.boto3. Okay. Sorry, boto3.client. Boto3 is a, let's say, like module dot, it has a method of client, and what client we need we are passing here. So all of you see here, what is the client? Resource groups tagging API. Okay, and from that client, what I am doing, you see here, I am getting all the regions in AWS. How many regions are there in my AWS? All of you tell me. See, let me count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am this BOTO3 will get me the regions now. See, beautiful. Regions equal to BOTO3.session. Okay, get available regions where I have the resource EC2. It means it is getting me all the regions with EC2 data. Are you getting me? Correct. Now you see how many regions I will get it, guys. 22 regions I will get it with that command. See. Okay. How many regions I will get it? 22 regions I will get it. And I want only the regions which have EC2 instances. Data from only the regions which have EC2 instances. Yes or no? See. In the code, if you see, here I get 22 regions, but from that regions I only need the regions which have EC2 instances. Now if it is not having also, it will give empty. Correct? If one region is not having instance, it will give empty, right? So now you see I am running a for loop over regions. This is a list of data. It is a, you can consider like a dump of 22 regions data. Okay, suppose you want to see here print. Let me print regions data also for you. Okay, all of you see here, I am printing regions data. Then what it is doing now, for I in regions, for region in regions, or I can say like for I in regions, if I'm doing I have to change here I have to change here I. Everywhere I need to change. Correct? For loop in Python. Are you understanding? For I in regions, in each region, the first region will come here. It will go here. Printing try catch try except block is here. And when the region is coming, what we are doing? Client boto3.client. The region name we are passing to resource group tagging API. Okay. Now once we are doing this, again we are doing a for loop where we are getting only the resource name of that particular resources. Now let's see. Okay, all of you see here. First I will comment this code. Shall we see how many regions we are getting? guys? Shall we see how many regions we are getting? All of you? Are you all done? Okay? Okay? Let's see. Okay? All of you see here? The command to run is Python 3 BOTO.py. Now see guys, what are the things I am getting? There is some exception coming. Okay. Okay, line 7 module. Okay, unknown service, valid service names are access analyzer, this, that, it is telling. Okay, no worries. Let me see. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Where is my code? Okay, all of you see. Did anything mistake for regions? Okay, let me run again. Okay, let me check the code in the GitHub if I did anything mistake. What is our GitHub? Hey DevOps. This one. Okay. Okay, this is good only. Okay. Let me take this. Let me put it here. Now let me run this once. Let's see how it behaves. Okay. Let's see first the output. Okay. Then I will show you like each of the things getting clear there. Okay. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, sorry. No, parameters, not parameters, guys. Okay. CD documents. There is something like batch 4. Okay. I think there I have kept this file ls-lrta. BOTO.py. That's why. Let's see. Now Python 3 BOTO. Okay, now you see it is running. What it is trying to do? AF South 1, AP East 1, Northeast, South. Where I am having EC2 instance, guys? In West, correct? I am having in West. Yes. Now you see. Now you see. Now you see East I have instances and West also I have instances. Now let's see. Let's map the instance Amazon resource names. These are ARNs of Amazon. Okay. Now let's see. Now all of you see here. What is my instance ID that is matching in the West? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now where is the instance ID? 27E. 27E. Okay. Let's see 27E is there or not. See guys, 27E is there. Yes. Guys, are you seeing? Yes, it's an array of data, right? Are you seeing? It's 27E and the associated security groups, volumes, all the things are coming. Okay? Clear? Clear everyone? Authentication. Yes, I have given AWS configure command. With that, it is authenticating. See, I have given this command right at the starting. AWS configure. With this command, you need to give your access key and your secret key like this. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. And how you can create that access key and secret key? Once you go, like when you are creating, right, you will get that username data, right? You go to the IAM roles, right? And go to IAM roles, right? So see, when you create, you will get that access key and secret key. I got it, my access key and secret key somewhere I have saved. 1 second, let me show you. Okay. AWS credentials, are you seeing? These are my access key and secret key. Once you create the user, you will automatically get it. Clear everyone? Right? Clear with BOTO3? Yes. So let me delete that instances, right? And everything you can do, right? This is just an example, but everything you can do. Okay with BOTO3? Now, one thing, guys, this document of today's session will be shared on this community page, courses.heydevops.in. And if anyone is interested, right, they can join. Just this is a community where everyone can talk. Okay? It's free. This community page is free, guys. Okay. I'm just building the community here. You can join here by sharing your knowledge. If you get any new documents also, you can share. Okay? Okay? And you can make sure your friends also are joining this community. And I will share this document here. Clear, everyone? Now, all of you clear? Let's see. Okay, good things. Okay, close tabs to right. Now, I will talk with few of you and we will wind up this session. Okay? So let me invite you all to live class. Invite link is given here. Yes, invite link is in the chat. Those who want to talk, they can come on live and they can talk. I will be waiting for you. Okay? Okay, and please make the likes on the YouTube video 150 plus if you are not seeing that, right? It's a humble request. If you support me, I'll bring much more content going ahead, right? Okay, clear? Okay, Odela, Oladil, right? Okay. Hey, hi, how are you? Able to hear me? I am not able to hear you. Hello? Maybe you can remove that earphones. Huh. Okay. Now, why it had went to mute? Huh. Hi. Okay. No, still I'm not able to hear you. I saw some voice when you have removed that earphones from the plug point. Remove that earphones once. Okay, it is going into mute. Why it is going into mute? Their mic is, oh, you don't have mic to the system. Oh, that is why. Okay, so I'm sorry, I cannot. Okay, you can see. Yeah. You can have something else. Meanwhile, I will talk with other students. If you have your mic ready, you can join again. Correct? Sure. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Anyone else who is willing to join? Yes, I'm sharing the link again on the chat. Mayur. Okay, Mayur. Nice to see you after a long time. कैसे हो भाई? तुम लाइव में हो पता है?
बढ़िया. I'm doing good. Thanks. How are you doing, Praveen?
Yeah. I'm doing good. यार good. पता है आप join किए थे बहुत long back. How are the things going?
Yeah. Looks like there is a delay. I'm so sorry. I just eliminated the background noise. I hope I'm very much clear now.
हाँ, you are clear. हाँ.
Oh, thank you. So first, I would like to thank you so much because like I was in batch 1 and since then, because of your course, helped me a lot to crack more than 10 offers. So
10 offers.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thanks to you.
But you have never reached out to me. Like I never know that you have got offers.
I'm so sorry, but I.
No, that's fine. No, I'm just telling because see, this is the biggest achievement. Now, if you see on terms of like in this batch, I got like what you call like 36 LPA, right? But you got 10 offers means I think this is the biggest thing we have to celebrate, right?
I agree. Yeah. So in terms of package, it was not that much big, but the the content which you share, the tricks. I mean, in terms of hunting the job, and my biggest concern was about dealing 90 days of notice period, and I still remember the tricks which you share that really work like a gem. So from then, whatever the kind of how you inspire us to applied for more than 700 jobs. So, and you motivated us on which days you should apply, and the tricks which you share that were really helpful, and whatever the content you cover was up to the mark, and that really helped me in terms of preparing well. And also you took at the end interview that was kind of an eye opener for me, because I was making a lot of mistakes, and you highlighted really well, and that helped me a lot also to make sure that I'm not making any more mistakes.
That's good. So what are the company offers? Just say like you have got 10 offers, right? You can just name few what you have got.
So I got Siemens, I got BCG, then Dassault Systems. So currently I'm part of Teradata. Earlier, there were few startups like Pocket FM, Core Edge.
Nice, yeah, nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
and @risk. So such were the startups.
Nice. Really happy to see that our batch one student got this. Thanks a lot, Mayur, and I know you will put more efforts to become more good person going ahead, right? Thanks a lot for coming forward and sharing your experience.
Thank you. Thanks. Big thanks
and
to
once
you.
ping in WhatsApp if you have number, right? Just ping, we will talk. Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much, Rohin.
Thanks, Mayur. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Okay, that was Mayur. Yeah, I was also not knowing. Okay, Rohit is here, Sandeep is here, and Mayur, thanks a lot. Very hearty congratulations to Mayur. Even I was not knowing, to be honest. ठीक है, मैं किसी को ऐसा बुलाने का कोई मेरे को ये नहीं है, but I am seriously, this is the thing I got it. Okay, Rohit, go ahead. आप लाइव में हो.
हेलो सर.
बोलो.
सर सच में बताओ ना तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द लाइव, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे, ऑनलाइन वीडियोस यूट्यूब में, लेकिन क्या होता था, मुझे वो जो एडवांस टॉपिक होने चाहिए था ना, वो नहीं मिलते थे. जो टॉपिक एडवांस आप क्लियर करते हो, जो इंडस्ट्री लेवल के है. मैंने आपके बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे भी है. तो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली ढूंढ ही रहा था जॉब, और जस्ट मुझे आपका बैच 5 मिला, जिससे मेरे सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो पाए.
ग्रेट.
तो मैं तो अभी बस डेवॉप्स में ढूंढ ही रहा हूँ. मैंने प्रोजेक्ट में भी काम किया है, लेकिन इतना इन डेप्थ नहीं था वो प्रोजेक्ट, जावा बेस्ड ही था. 1 साल के लिए मैंने लगभग 1 साल में कंसिडर कर सकता हूँ कि मैंने डेवॉप्स में काम किया है, वो खुद से, जैसे कंपनी बेस पे नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं, बढ़िया. समझ गया. बढ़िया. सो डेफिनेटली यार, देखो दोनों साथ में काम करेंगे. आप तो बहुत ही एंथुसियास्टिक लगते हो मेरे जैसे ऑलमोस्ट. आप दोनों साथ में काम करेंगे, देखता हूँ कि हाउ बेस्ट आई कैन हेल्प एवरीवन. ठीक है, और जो एक्टिव रहता है उसको और थोड़ा हेल्प और करेंगे. ठीक है, तो साथ में देखते हैं क्या होगा. ठीक है, डेफिनेटली. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
डेफिनेटली.
हाँ, थैंक्स अ लॉट.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक
यू. So yeah, those who want to register themselves, right? So again, I am telling. So one last registration was left for today. I don't know who will be that lucky person, right? So I am still waiting for one person, but I don't know, like, what are your thoughts? Okay, any other things you wanted to discuss, guys? All of you can join this community. I will share the document here today. Okay, if you see, yesterday's document is here, downloadable document. Today also I'm going to share here. I want to build here the community. See, namaste all. I am excited to be part of this Hey DevOps, particularly interested in cloud and DevOps. Please also eager. You can introduce yourself to the people. You can connect with people, right? Everyone is on this platform, right? Clear? You can build your community, right? Thanks, sir, for the beautiful training for batch 4.0. Hope everyone gets a job in the batch, right? So it's all things are there. I wanted to build a community. That's why I've brought this platform to you. And Google Play Store is here if anyone wants to see. And the today's document will be uploaded here. There will be some polls, some quizzes. You will be getting some assignments also going forward, right? So all those things are here. Clear, everyone? Right? Any other questions, any other queries before we wind up? Oladale, I'm still not able to hear you. your mic is working. Can you talk now? I have added you on the stream. If you are Saurav, Sandeep, yes, go ahead. You four are added on the stream. Go ahead.
Okay, Praveen. So let me start. I believe Oradel is not still audible still.
Yeah.
So basically it's a personal question. Like I have a good hands-on on this Helm, Kubernetes, Docker, Linux.
Mhm.
Okay, and I have a good theoretical understanding of public cloud. Means mostly I do work on a bare metals. Okay, on premise.
Okay.
So now, I mean, the batch fifth is going to start in. I mean, a few days is still there, right? So
Correct.
in meanwhile, I wanted to do practice everything on a cloud.
Yes.
So I just wanted to understand. Means I can do the things. Means it is required to get a paid version. I mean, some VMs. I mean, EC2 machines or
No, no, no.
VMs.
Only EC2. Don't go for any paid VMs or nothing. Only some a little bit which projects I will share na, as part of assignments or something before the start of the live classes. I'll share some documents of projects. You don't need to go for any paid servers. EC2
Mhm.
server. Okay. And project documents step by step will be there. You need to execute that. Clear?
Clear. Basically, like Kubernetes cluster and all things like they required a
Kubernetes
little bit
cluster,
extra.
little bit extra cost, 200 to 300 rupees, little bit here and there it will be coming. Okay?
So I just wanted to get an idea. Like let's suppose if I'm working for a 1 month, okay, continuously. So approx how much cost is
No,
going to happen,
you never should work continuously for 1 month. You work,
right?
you do your project, you delete the cluster.
Shut down.
Every
Mm-hmm.
step is there in that document. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You should maximum get 500. Don't get more than that. Okay?
Okay,
Just
okay, that's great.
one batch student got 2000. I
Mm-hmm.
asked why you are doing this. He's telling the same thing like you. He wants to
Mm-hmm.
run months and months. He wants to track. I told you, practice karo, delete karo. बस बात खत्म वहाँ से. ठीक है?
Okay, okay, that's good.
ठीक है.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Praveen.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yes. Okay, Rushali, actually, see, the thing is, right? I saw your comment just now, right? So what is the thing is, see, I never gave 4.0 link here, right? And I'm not sure like how you migrated to 4.0 there, right? And that will be a little difficult because the students' data is completely in different databases now, and both the platforms are separated. So that will be a little difficult actually, and we cannot go ahead with that, right? I hope you understand. Saurav, I think I have talked with you. No, Oladale is still having mic issues. I'm not sure. Yeah, Saurav, go ahead. Saurav?
Hello.
Okay, Saurav is not audible. So, guys, I think that's all for today's class. And thank you all for joining. Let's meet in the next Saturday class. Very strong things are coming in. From basics to advanced, I will teach. And people yesterday got fumbled by seeing all those things. Okay, a little bit here and there. The concepts were a little bit high, a little bit more paced concepts. But yeah, you need to little bit put your efforts also, right? If you always think of like spoon feeding or yeah, A, B, C बढ़ाना है, that will be not fetching you jobs. ठीक है? You need to work hard. You need to sweat a lot. See how I am sweating यार. तुम लोग इतना पढ़ा रहा हूँ 2 घंटा 3 घंटा. ठीक है? Network issue, no problem. Okay, so guys, who is interested in becoming the part of community? Who is interested in becoming the part of 4.0, 5.0 basically? Anyone else who is looking to be part of 5.0? Right? And one registration left. If you want to be with me, definitely. What you need to do us before the class start? Yes, Mridula, I will be sharing, like, let's say 1 month is left, right? 1 month is left or 1 week is left. I'll be sharing everything on the community page. I'll be sharing all the documents, data, and you should be on the app also. I will be giving everything from basics, the preparation, everything. Clear? Great. Great, Rohit. Okay? Great. Now, those who want to go and get the document, you need to come to the courses.heydevops.community page. You will get all the things here. LinkedIn link. Where is the LinkedIn link I have given? Let's see. Okay. I have given 5.0 link only. I'm not sure like which link you have taken. but yeah, there is 5.0 link only. I've removed everywhere 4.0 link. Okay, that's fine. Thank you all for joining. It was really nice talking to you. If anyone wants to talk, if anyone wants have any concerns, you can mail here at hey DevOps batch 5 at gmail.com. Let's go ahead and get the jobs, right? 36 LPA highest, 10 plus job offers highest. Let's see how the batch 5 people will perform. Okay, so see you all in next class. Stay safe and keep the Josh high, and do share the website links and the community pages links. Again, I'm telling, this community is open for everyone. This community is open for everyone. Anyone can come and see and join this community for free, right? And this is, and if you join batch, you will always get the job links, job news, portals, podcast, everything will be here. Okay, chalo. So see you all in another class. You can register yourself and take care. Bye. Thank you all. Okay, thank you.